In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate tax reports in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right report, how to set the correct period, and how to tailor what you see so it matches what your tax agency expects. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. From here, head straight to the Reports area. You'll find Reports on the left-hand navigation panel. This is your home base for every financial snapshot QuickBooks can produce, from sales and expenses to taxes. Once you're on the Reports page, look for the Taxable Sales Detail Report. You can scroll through the taxes or sales sections to locate it, or simply use the search bar at the top to type its name. This report is designed to list all sales that were marked taxable in the period you choose, along with key details like customer, date, and transaction information. It's a go-to view for preparing sales tax filings because it focuses on the sales that generate tax, not every sale you've made. Next, set the date range so it aligns with your filing period. If you file monthly, choose the exact month. If you file quarterly, pick the quarter. And if your agency uses custom dates, enter those. Getting this right matters because even a small mismatch, like including a few days from the next period, can throw off your totals. If you've recently entered or corrected invoices from a prior period, remember to rerun the report so those changes are reflected. Now, click Customize to fine-tune what appears. In Customize, you can choose which columns you want to see, such as customer, product or service, and tax code to make the report more useful. You can also filter to narrow down by customer, location, or transaction type if needed, which is helpful when you're investigating a discrepancy. This is also where you can select the accounting method, cash or accrual, so it matches how you're required to report. Adjust the sort order or grouping to make review faster, and include fields like memo or SKU if they help your workflow. When everything looks right in Customize, select Run Report to apply your changes. Take a moment to scan the totals and look for outliers like unusually large transactions or unexpected tax codes. If something stands out, you can click into the amount to drill down and view the underlying transactions for quick verification. Make sure the date range still shows what you intended after any changes. That's it. You've opened QuickBooks, found the taxable sales detail report, set the correct period, customized the layout, and run a clean, review-ready tax report. Follow these same steps each filing cycle for consistent results.